In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove last seen recently in Telegram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. Once you are on Telegram, you can go to your contacts right there and check online status for most of your contacts, most of your friends, most of your conversation, like last seen 4 minutes ago or online, and other person also can get your current online status by the same way. And to disable that option, you can go to settings, privacy and security, last seen and online, and set that option to nobody or just to my contact instead of everybody. I set it to nobody, and also I can add there some exceptions, like add there some users whom you trust, whom you want to get your last seen, or you can not do that and just set that option to nobody. I hope this video helped you out, and before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe.